Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Kinetiq token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Kinetiq is a liquidity staking protocol built natively on Hyperliquid, enabling users to stake the native token of the Hyperliquid blockchain Hype and receive Kinetiq staked Hype in return. K-Hype enables staking participation while retaining full liquidity and capital efficiency, earning staking rewards while staying active across DeFi. Behind the all scenes, all staked Hype is automatically delegated to the top performing Hyperliquid validators selected by Stake Hub. Kinetics automatically validators scoring and delegation system. Kinetic token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 270 million KNTQ token. KNTQ token is listed on Hyperliquid, Project X and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.